Entertainment. Entertainment is really a want and not a need. But in life, we like to do things that are fun to keep our life full of some different kinds of things. So we do like to add entertainment to our budget. Entertainment is the fun that you have and the things that you do that's extra in your life. So sometimes entertainment can be having a family game night, and that could be free. Sometimes entertainment will be watching Netflix that you already pay for as a part of your budget. Sometimes you'd like to go rock climbing, or you're going to go to an amusement park, or you're going to go bowling, go to the movies. All of those are forms of entertainment, and each of them costs something different. So you have to think about your budget when you're planning your entertainment. How many times a week do you do something extra for fun? What are those things that you do? And in a month's time, how much will you spend on entertainment? Sometimes when you don't have enough in your budget, this is going to be one of the first things to go, entertainment, where you may have to do things that are free, maybe finding a park or going on a hike or going on a bike ride when you already own a bike. There's plenty to do for entertainment that is low cost. You're going to be building your entertainment into your budget. For this project, you are going to think of 4 different activities. You're going to find out the cost for those activities, and you can add a picture of those activities. So you'll have 4. You can have something that's low cost, or it could be free, depending on if you're just going to go bike riding and you already own a bike, you can put free bike riding. If you're going to go rock climbing or you're going to go to a trampoline park, you may want to look up from that website about how much it costs to go there. So your 4 activities will be listed, and then you're going to estimate a monthly cost that you want to put in your budget for entertainment. And so maybe you can only splurge on once a month going to something like rock climbing or a trampoline park, or maybe you have to wait every 3 or 4 or 5, 6 months to do something like that. And maybe you need to have your video games be your activity. And then you need to budget in for your making sure that you're buying your video games and that you're using that for a couple of months, a few months as an activity that you'll then be able to do for free. So add your 4 activities, add the cost for each activity, estimate your total monthly cost for entertainment, and then you're going to put this, because it's in a yellow box, you're going to put this on your final budget page where it says entertainment. You're going to add this amount that you come up with on that page. Good luck finding your entertainment.